Hello everyone and welcome to this lesson. In this lesson, I'm going to show you how we are going to leverage ChatGPT to continue to write blog posts and help us with social media posts as well. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to ask ChatGPT as well, similar to what we have done in the previous lesson, that I would like to write a plan for a fitness retreat in Thailand. I want to list all the activities and meal plans that people will do and include links to photos online as well. So if you recall, in the previous lesson, we learned how to write articles. If you recall, we also learned how to kind of compress that article into just one paragraph, as I showed you here. What I would like to do right now is I would like to maybe list all the activities and maybe come up with maybe new ideas, for example. So what I'm going to do here is going to say, well, here we go. Welcome to the Beef Retreat Fitness Retreat in Thailand. Our program is designed to help you achieve your health and wellness goals while enjoying the beauty of Thailand. Here's a breakdown of the itineraries. First, we're gonna day one, arrival and check-in, welcome dinner. And then day two, there is a yoga session by the beach. There is breakfast with fresh tropical fruits and avocado toast, guided hike to a nearby waterfall. And there is a lunch, grilled fish with papaya salad. Again, looks pretty amazing to me. Afternoon, we have a Thai massage or meditation session. Dinner, going to be Thai green curry with vegetables and rice. Day three, that's going to be the HIIT workout on the beach. Breakfast going to be acai bowl and scrambled eggs. Day trip to an elephant sanctuary. And then lunch going to be pad Thai noodles and so on. Day four is going to be beach boot camp. Again, please note that this is a fitness retreat, right? So it has a lot of fitness activities happening here, such as the HIIT workout. There is a beach boot camp. And there's also day five covering yoga session with Greek yogurt and granola bars, and then fresh berries at the end. And then finally, there is a beach yoga in day six. And it's actually very good, I would say, outline of activities in general. Next, what if I would like maybe to write a blog post, but instead of specifying the topic that I'm looking for, now I'm going to provide ChatGPT with a link to a given site. So that's what I'm going to do here. If you recall, I showed you before the fitness retreat. So if you recall, that was the beef retreat, the fitness retreat that I mentioned before in Dubai and Thailand. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to simply copy that link. I'm going to go back, paste it here, and then I'm going to say, please write a blog post. Let me show you. So I'm going to say, write a blog post about this. Basically, and I provided a link here. Make sure to include a call to action and include SEO-friendly words. Let's go ahead and give it a try. Here we go. So what you notice, which again is super powerful, ChatGPT basically has been able to access that specific link and right now give you a blog post that has been optimized specifically, and it includes a call to action at some point. So you'll find here, this is the call to action. Ready to experience the transformative power of our fitness retreat in Thailand? Check out our website for more information. And here it's also showed you what SEO-friendly words that have been mentioned or included in that blog post. Again, super powerful. Okay, let's assume that maybe you would like to shift gears into artificial intelligence and machine learning. And let's assume that I would like to leverage ChatGPT to write 10 social media posts about artificial intelligence future. Let's maybe go ahead and restart it again. This issue, happen every once in a while. Let's go ahead and give it a try. So here we go. It's going to tell you, well, get ready for a future with endless possibilities thanks to the power of artificial intelligence. Giving you also the hashtags here as well. It's pretty powerful. From self-driving cars to personalized shopping experiences, AI is revolutionizing the way we live and work. Did you know that AI is expected to contribute $15.7 trillion to the global economy by 2030? The future is bright with artificial intelligence and future tech. Again, super powerful social media posts. What if I maybe would like to engage, for example, my audience and maybe write the top 10 fun facts about AI? Here we go. It's going to tell you a few fun facts. The concept of AI was first coined in 1956 by computer scientist John McCarthy. Here, for example, the term robot comes from the Czech word robota, which means forced labor. Here, for example, IBM Watson's, an AI system capable of answering questions posed in natural language, was named after the company's first CEO, Thomas Watson, and so on. Okay, And finally, let's assume that I would like to come up maybe with 10 quotes about AI. So I'm going to say, could you please list 10 quotes about AI for me? And I tell you, well, sure. Artificial intelligence is the future, not only for Russia, but for all humankind. AI is not a silver bullet, but it's the best thing we have. AI will be the ultimate tool to help us achieve our goals. And then the ultimate promise of artificial intelligence is to inspire and empower us. And please note that, as I mentioned before, ChatGPT and GPT-4 in general, they tend to hallucinate every once in a while. So you need to make sure that this information is accurate and the author as well is accurate too. And what you notice here is ChatGPT may produce inaccurate information about people, places, and facts. Okay? All right, so that's it. That's all I have for this lesson. I hope you enjoyed it and see you in the next lesson.